just uploading a video and waiting for views to roll in, well, you might be doing it wrong. Now let's talk about a big mistake many small creators make. So let's meet Alex, a new YouTuber who uploaded a great video. So he told that this video was actually live and he kept wondering why it was stopped at 0 views. So in this video, I'm going to tell you most of the mistakes that small creators make on starting their YouTube channel that they don't actually know that it's ruining their channel. Many beginners think uploading means that their video is live, but there's a big difference between uploading and publishing. Let me show you why this matters on this video. But before I actually head straight to the point, please do well to support this channel by liking this video. If you are getting so much value on my content or on this video, please, and if you are eager to learn, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel because you will not regret it. And also do well to turn the bell notification so you always get updated each time I upload a new video. Now let's talk about number one. Number one is, what is uploading? Uploading is you, like, is that first step that you take, like when your video is, when you are done filming, editing your video. So uploading is the first step you take to go to your YouTube app or on your YouTube studio and click on that plus button and bring the video to YouTube, right? So when you now add this video to YouTube system, it's not live yet. Understand that this video is not actually live yet. This video is just being on the YouTube system, and this video being on the YouTube system, it helps YouTube to process your video. That is checking the quality of your video and also checking for copyright. That's why it's always advisable for you to upload your video on the Chrome browser extension, because if there's any copyright while YouTube is checking this video, they'll actually notify you that there is copyright on those videos, so that you can actually go ahead and delete the video or replace the song immediately. You understand? And you uploading this video will remain in draft mode unless you change the visibility setting. And you uploading this video, you can still edit your title, your description, your tag and thumbnail. That is what uploading is, guys. So after knowing what uploading is, let's look at the second one, which is publishing. And I'm also going to tell you the 4 features that come with this publishing. So you actually need to stick around and watch this because I'm going to make it to be well detailed for you to actually watch and understand. Like, so what is the second step that is publishing? Publishing is when the video is visible to viewers, but here is the catch. You have different options on those publishing, right? We have the public, we have the unlisted, we have the private, and we also have the schedule. And I'm going to explain this to you one by one for you to actually understand. So when your video is in public, that means everyone can actually watch the video. It could be on YouTube, it could be on Google. They can go there and search for the topic, and if your video comes up, anyone anywhere can actually discover your video and get watched if your video is in public. Then if your video is unlisted, only people that has the link can actually see. So if you actually upload your video and you are not really sure about the video, you can actually unlist that video and share the link with your mentor or your coach or someone that knows better than you to actually check out the video to know if there are any errors that need to be corrected before you actually make it to the public in order for you to start watching it. So if you now put your video on private means that it's only the selected users that can actually have access to this video. It's only the few persons that you selected through your email that can have access to the video. And the last one is schedule. What is schedule? Schedule is actually when you set a date, day and time, and YouTube publishing it automatically. Let's say you want to schedule your video to go live by next tomorrow. What you just need to just to upload the video today, and you don't need to schedule maybe at social time when your audience is online, like 5 o'clock. You schedule that video and just the only thing is that when it's that time, YouTube will just make sure that this video goes public. You understand? Then let's look at this common uploading mistake, a case study of a YouTuber called Alex. Meet Alex, a new YouTuber who just uploaded a video, and what he did was to just put this video in private. He made a great video, right? So he put this video on private. So he was wondering why he was having 0 views. People were not watching the video after hours of uploading the video. So he now found out that Alex put this video on private instead of making this video go public. These are most of the mistakes that small creators make. So here are the ways you can actually avoid these common mistakes made by Alex. Number one, always double check your visibility setting before publishing the video, right? Number two, use the schedule feature to time your uploads strategically. Number 3, make sure your title, your thumbnail, your description are well optimized before making this video go public, to avoid making some mistakes. Like now that you know the differences between these two, do not make the same mistake that was made by Alex, which was a new YouTuber. At least you have an opportunity to see this video on your own page or on your FYP. Please, you guys watching me right now, do well to share this video, because most new YouTuber actually made this mistake. I actually made this mistake when I first started my YouTube channel. Please do well to share. Please, anyhow you can share this video. If you have a group on WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere, Facebook, do well to share this video to get to as many persons that might want to see this kind of information right now, because that it will actually save a lot of people from having a zero glitch views on YouTube, right? So here comes the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to drop a comment, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification so you always get updated each time I bring in a new video on YouTube, right? Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.